To remove the stand assembly, first remove the side cover, the top fan, or CPU water cooler, depending on whether the system is air or water cooled, and any graphics cards installed in the unit. Remove the motherboard bracket from the unit. Remove the cable holder. The power supply cover. And the power supply. Remove the bottom grille and the bottom inner small bracket. Remove the rear grille cover and the back cover. Remove the power supply cage. Remove the 30 Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the stand to the bottom of the unit. Pull the rest of the unit off of the stand. To replace the stand, place the stand on the work surface. Place the unit on top of the stand. Secure the stand to the chassis with its 30 Phillips No. 2 screws.